Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a quick review of the Infinix Smart 10 Plus AI, and I'm going to be giving you a simple tutorial or giving you updates on the Infinix Smart 10 Plus AI. And these AIs come built on the phone. So when you open settings, you're going to get the Infinix AI tab, and you get three AI features straight out of the box. The Folax voice assist, that's the first AI where you long press the power button, to bring the Folax voice assist, and you can use it to ask questions or do different tasks. And you can get the document assist where you can upload your document, maybe to summarize your document, to get key points in your document, to analyze your document, or to get suggestions on your document that you have uploaded. And another AI feature is the writing assist. So while you're writing, this can help you in organizing your grammar or collecting your spellings, and this is quite helpful and useful while typing. And you only get those three AI features: the Folax voice assist, the document assist, and the writing assist, which are quite useful. And remember, they all work with an internet connection. So these AI features also work with an internet connection. They are not on device, that they work instantly on the device. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.